Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So let me show you the latest update for Aimogen. Starting from today you will be able to use Hugging Face and also use Inference Endpoint URLs. So this will be your own model deployment where you will be able to use also large models from Hugging Face. So if you tried Hugging Face in Aimogen, you know that they don't allow running of large models, which are larger than 10 billion parameters, but you will be able to get around this using the latest update. And if you create your own endpoints using deployments of the models that you want to use. So let's go and check Inference Endpoints URLs. Click on this link and you will be redirected to this page. So accept any terms and conditions and anything that you see here before you are granted access to this page. And afterwards also you will need to add your Visa card. So your credit card needs to be added to Hugging Face for them to allow you to access this page. And afterwards click new. So don't bother using my existing endpoint as I will delete this. So click new. And here you will need to select the model that you want to use. So keep in mind that you should use only textual models because currently the Aimogen plugin supports only text generation models. So for this you will need to select a model that you want to use. So for example, let's select Llama 3. And if you don't have access or you did not use Llama 3 already, you will need to request access. So for this, click on this link. And here I already submitted and I'm on a waiting list. But we can select another model and request access for it. And for example, let's go with Florence too large. I think that this is so keep in mind that only text generation models are supported. So for this, go to the catalog of models and select the model that you want to use. So for example, let's go with OpenChat 3.5. So copy its name and go back and paste the model that you want to use. And here it is, it appeared. And it seems that we already have access to OpenChat. So if you don't have access to a model, then you need to get access to it. So for example, let me search for a model that I don't have access to, just to show you guys how to get access to models. So let's go with this one, I guess. Hopefully I will not have access to this model and I will be able to show you guys some. So it seems that actually I have access to lots of models, but let me go and from this NVIDIA. So I have access to all the models. Okay, so actually the basic idea is if you don't have access to a model like this, click on the request access link and here on this part, expand this part and you will need to fill up a form with your details, with your personal details, and click submit access and request access. And after you submit this form, you will be granted access after a review, as in this case for Meta Llama 3, or immediately in the cases of other models. So I got access immediately to many models like the Google model and so on. Okay, so now let me show you how to use actually this feature, and let me go to the library, to the catalog, and let's select a model. So this one should do it. Keep in mind that you need a text generation model. This is important. And after you selected this, go ahead and so not Stability AI. Okay, so it seems that it needs a bit of delay. until the model list is refreshed. So we got this model selected, and we give it a name. We select where to deploy it and also location, and you will see that you can use for most models GPU structure and GPU. The models will actually run on the GPU. One important thing, that if you select a VPS which is too small, then you will see this message: your model is maybe too large for the selected instance options. So I don't recommend to select configuration which is not on the correct performance level for the model that you are using. So select this model, and the rest only select public. So this is important: select public, and the rest of the configuration can be skipped. So keep in mind, select a model here, select the configuration of the VPS, and select public. Now create endpoint, and after this is finished, so currently it is pending, and you will see your endpoint URL appear here. So after it appeared, you will be able to use it. So until then, let's go to my endpoint URLs, and here we have the neural chat that we are initializing, and this one which is actually running. So this is an older text generation endpoint that I set up. So simply copy the URL of the endpoint, paste it here. And also very important is that copy the model that this is using and paste the name of the model here. Now hit Save Settings. And when you've done this, you will be able to use this directly in the plugin as usual. So for this, go to anywhere where you want to use it. I test this in the single AI post creator, and in the model settings, instead of an OpenAI model, if I scroll down, you will see the model that you just added from Hugging Face, and let's give it a topic, and let's create a title. So simply create a title for this, and the model is currently working. You can see the timer here, the counter, and we got some titles, and select the title that you are fancying the most. So unlocking 2024 WordPress plugin potential, a comprehensive guide. So the AI from Hugging Face just created this, and this model will not run because it's a large model. So let me show you what happens if we delete the endpoint URL. Because if you delete the endpoint URL, the default method from the OpenAI or from Hugging Face will be used. So if we delete the endpoint URL like I did, then you will probably not be able to run this model. Yeah, because the model does not exist. So actually this is the reason for this. So keep in mind, if you want to run large models like this, you will need to do it using the Inference Endpoint URLs like I showed you, and you will be able to run also large models. Okay, so now let me show you that you can also use models which are free and without the need to create these inference endpoints. So for example, to do this, click on Hugging Face model name, and you will see a list of models that you can use in the plugin. So select one that is smaller, which has the B parameter here at a smaller value, and copy its entire name. So it's important to copy its entire name, and afterwards you will be able to go in plugin settings and paste it. So the entire name is needed to be added here. So save settings, and after you done this, you can go into the post creator that you want to use, and in the express mode, for example, show, and you should see the MetaLlama Hugging Face model, and let's test it. So keep in mind then that this is not using an inference URL right now, and it's still working. So in the settings we don't have this because this is a smaller model, and Hugging Face allows running of smaller models also without the need of a inference endpoint URL. So because of this, the inference endpoints are needed only for larger models. Okay, so this is the latest update for Aimogen. Let me know if you have more ideas, suggestions in the comments of this video. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this content that I create. Have a nice day. Bye bye.